Thank you.
I'm just trying to minimize my voice in it.
Oh my God, no, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, both feet up. There you go. Okay.
Ready, Caitlin?
Wait.
I got you.
Feel good?
Yeah, something just like.
It probably shifted a little bit, and that's okay. That's just your harness and your equipment.
Say hello.
You ready?
I was videoing you. It's not even fair. I know. Cause you, I don't know. Oh, hello. Ugh. I think my contacts are like dried to my eyeballs.
That can happen. I wear contacts as well.
Okay. Yeah, if I didn't wear them, it wouldn't even been worth it. I wouldn't have been able to see anything.
That's fair. Yeah, I have a relatively high prescription, so there you go. Let me hand you your trolley real quick. There you go.
Thank you.